am Rafa C.D. Sena, and I am so happy to welcome you all to our program. Today is a very special day for all of us because we are celebrating all of the things we learned in the school. We sing and dance into many songs. We counted numbers. We learned our ABCs, and we made so many new friends. Thank you to our teacher Tess for helping us learn and grow. Thank you to our parents for always loving us and cheering for us. Thank you to all of my classmates for all the fun and happy memories. Congratulations to all of us. Let's enjoy our special day. Once again, welcome everyone.
Thank you so much.